So, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
For winning the Poster Award.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit what your research is about and what you presented here?
Yes, my research is mainly focused on nutrition and brain aging and pathological brain aging, and we would like to understand mechanisms which are underlying this association. So we designed a case control study among a cohort of French participants, and we assessed from the biobank which was implemented at baseline different biomarkers, and we assessed not exactly LPS but the protein which bind the LPS into the blood, so LBP, and we observed between cases of dementia and control that there was a higher level of LBP in people who will develop dementia over time compared to controls. So it's a first biomarkers which is associated with a higher risk of dementia in this pathway between diet, fatty acids, the gut microbiota, and maybe the inflammation and neuroinflammation. In this cohort, we have a lot of data about dietary habits of the participants. We also have a biobank from the baseline, so with a very small blood sampling. And I would like to have more assessment of microbiota, but not yet. So this is the next step, sorry. And the other step is also to analyze which dietary factors are associated with this protein, with the protein which bind LBP. Which dietary factors modulate this the level of LBP in the blood. So this is the next.
How do you measure the dietary habits? I can imagine that it's quite a challenge often.
Yes, we have two kind of questionnaire. The first one is about food frequency questionnaire. It's the number of portion of fruits, of vegetables, or something like that eaten by a week. And the other is a dietary 24-hour dietary recall. So we ask the participants what was the food consumed the day before the interview. And we also have some biological assessment of nutritional markers. So for instance, fatty acids, we also have carotenoids, we also have vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A, and so on. So we have 3 levels of assessment. We can use biological data, food data, but also dietary patterns.
And lastly, I would like to ask what you think about the meeting, Mind with Microbes. Is it what you expected? Or, would you
yes,
come back?
it's more than expected for me. For me, it's a new field, so I learned a lot about microbiota. And what I returned just after the conclusion is that usually there is a lack of dietary data or a lack of a large sample. So I have both, but I have no microbiota. So I think we have to discuss again and to exchange.
Cool.
Yes.
Thank you.